Hello friends! Welcome to Mom and Me Fun Factory!
Today we will see water vehicles. Water vehicles move on rivers, lakes, and oceans. Water vehicles are fun. This is a boat. Boat floats on water. Boat goes splash splash. This is a ship. Ship is very big. Ship carries people and goods. This is a submarine. Submarine goes underwater. Submarine is very quiet. This is a speedboat. Speedboat goes fast. Speedboat goes zoom zoom. This is a canoe. Canoe is small. Canoe can row gently on rivers. Water vehicles are amazing. They help us travel on water. Let us see the water vehicles again. Boat, ship, submarine, speedboat, canoe. Let us clap for water vehicles. Clap, clap, clap.
Learning is fun! Thank you for watching! See you again at Mom and Me Fun Factory!